I'm just trying to take my space. I don't really need the pain, but I love to feel the pain. Maybe I could use a break, so we just might have to wait.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Leizel. For today's video, I am partnering up with Fashion Nova to bring you guys yet another clothing haul. And most of these pieces that I'm going to be showing you guys today are specifically from their Nova vintage range, which if you guys haven't gone and checked out that range, I highly recommend for you to, because I feel like it really does emulate my kind of style. Pretty much everything in that range has that neutral, soft, easy breezy, chill kind of look, which is definitely my style. So if you guys are interested to see what I have to show you, keep on watching. If you do enjoy this video or you find it helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like it before you leave it, and if you're new, you know what to do. Join the crew by hitting the little red subscribe button down below and click the bell as well, so you don't miss any more videos that I post. And with that being said, let's get into the haul. So first things first, I'm starting off with something that I'm actually wearing, and yes, it is this top. So this is the Next Stop Anywhere top. Now, if you guys know me, you know that this is very much so my style. We've got the little cute sleeves, the ruching, and it's cropped, which is definitely my kind of style. For reference, I did get this one in a size extra small, and I feel like it fits me perfectly. It's nice and fitted around the chest area, and it's definitely not restricting in any kind of way on me. I feel like the fabric does have a good amount of stretch to it, and as you may notice on the front of it, it has these little strings down the front, which you can of course adjust and crop it even more if you want, or crop it less, if that makes sense. So it really is up to you how high up you want this top to be cropped. In fact, you don't even have to make it cropped. You can make it sit all the way down if you really wanted to, but I like it kind of midway. And yeah, I just think this top is super cute. Definitely one to go with a cute pair of jeans, as you guys can see that I've done. You can throw it on with a pair of heels or sneakers, and I feel like it's definitely one of those tops that you can dress up or dress down for any occasion. Next item that I have to show you guys are a pair of jeans, and I love these, you guys. So these are the Daydreaming high-rise mum jeans in light blue, and oh my goodness, I've been looking for a pair of jeans like this for the longest time. I have to say, in the past, I was never really a jeans kind of girl. I just felt like jeans didn't suit me. However, you guys know that I do love a good high-rise pant, and these are very high-waisted. So they rise up pretty high on the waist, and they do go down into this like really balloon effect kind of jean. So yeah, they do rise up pretty high, but they fit perfectly around my waist. For reference, I did get these in a size extra small, and I just love the way that they not flare out, but they're just so loose and baggy down from the hips. Like, they just so slouchy. I love that look at the moment. This style is very relaxed, and it just reminds me of like sweatpants but in jeans form, so it doesn't look like you're wearing sweatpants, even though it kind of feels like it in a sense. And yeah, I love everything about these. I love the style, I love the way that they fit on me, I love the color as well. Whenever I go for denims, I typically do go for that kind of light wash type of denim, and I honestly feel like these are probably one of my favorite pairs of jeans that I've ever tried from Fashion Nova. I just feel like they are very flattering on my figure, even though I particularly don't find mum jeans or that loose kind of slouchy kind of jean style very flattering on me. These, they look really nice, so I really like these. As you guys can see, I did pair these up with the top that I'm currently wearing, but I feel like you could even throw these on with like a simple t-shirt, a crop t-shirt, or hoodie, and it would look just as good. There's so many different ways to style these jeans, and that's why I really like them. Next up, I have another top to show you guys, and this one is the Miranda organza long sleeve top. Now, as you can see, this is once again very much my style. My only thing with it is that it is a little bit too long in terms of being for my torso. Like, I feel like I don't have the longest of torsos, so it kind of sit on me a little bit weird, and I just felt like, even though it's got that like gathering and ruching of the fabric, it just didn't look quite right on me. However, the way that I fixed that was I just kind of cropped it up a little bit, and I felt like that was like the instant fix that I was looking for. You guys already know I'm into really puffy sleeves at the moment. Anything that's got that puffy detail on the shoulders, that's what I'm all about at the moment. And again, I definitely definitely feel like this is one of those tops that you can dress up or down. I mean, you could pair it with the jeans like I did and wear it casually during the day, or dress it up for a night out. For reference, once again, I picked this up in a size extra small and it fit me perfectly. Even around my torso, it fit really nice and snug, and I just feel like it's one of those tops that's very in at the moment with the style that it is. Next up, I have a pair of pants to show you guys from the Nova Vintage range, and these are the Erin Raw Edge Straight Leg Jeans. Not really sure if you guys can tell on camera right now, but the color is that of like a cream off-white type of shade, which I feel like is very in at the moment. I'm seeing a lot of that in stores at the moment, just that really off-white kind of color when it comes to this style of pant. So yeah, I feel like this style is very in at the moment. However, something that you will notice is that this particular size wasn't really it for me. I mean, I feel like it fit my hips, like the widest part of my hips, really nicely, and my butt nicely, but when it came to my waist, it just was a little bit too wide. So I think for me, I would definitely have to go and grab a belt to fix that issue. I did pick these up in a size 26, and I think that's what kind of threw me off a little bit when it came to sizing, is that I wasn't exactly sure what size I would be in terms of that type of measurement. So I guess I was kind of off, but sometimes it is a little bit difficult because yeah, I find that jeans do fit my hips and butt, but then when it comes to my waist, it's a little bit gapey in that area. But regardless, I do really love the style of the jeans. I like how they fit like the rest of my body, and again, I feel like this is a very in style at the moment. It's definitely that really chill, breezy type of style where you just throw this on with a t-shirt or some type of light sweater. I also just wanted to note as well that it doesn't have a zipper. It comes up with like the button up at the front, which I don't personally mind. I don't find a preference when it comes to like whether it's a zip or buttons. But yeah, aside from the sizing issue, I actually do really like the style of these. I feel like they are very in at the moment. It's just a matter of trying to figure out which size would be perfect for you with that sizing system for this pair. Next up, I have another top to show you guys, and this one is the Rachel button down sweater top. You guys would have just seen that I was wearing this in the last little try on clip for the pants. First of all, I really love the color. That is what drew me towards it in the first place, is that I really like this like soft peach apricot type of shade, and I do love the cardigan and the style of it itself. As you guys can see, it is in fact a little lightweight button up sweater. The only thing with this, as you guys can see in the try on clip, is that it is very see-through, so you can definitely see my sticky bra. I am wearing a sticky bra in the try on clip, and you can definitely see that. So I don't know how to navigate around that, because let me tell you, I definitely am not the type of girl that can wear like no bra underneath my tops. Like, I need to wear something under there to keep everything like covered. But aside from that, I really like the color, and it's very lightweight. I feel like I could probably get away with wearing this like to the beach or something. So yeah, I feel like this would be perfect for those days. Like, I did pair it up with the pants. It's just one of those really easy breezy type of outfits to throw together. I just realized to navigate through it being see-through, I could probably put like a really nice white simple crop underneath or some type of bralette. That would totally stop it from being see-through, obviously. Like, it would still be a top with a little extra something underneath, so I feel like that's a way to get through it. But I just can't get over the color. The color is so pretty. Speaking of color, I guess that was something that I was kind of feeling when I was picking out the items for this haul, because I did get another piece, or rather two pieces, like it's a set in that same type of color. So this is the Melanie satin skirt set, and as you guys can see, once again, it's that really pretty light apricot peachy type of shade. I feel like this kind of color really does suit me. You guys know that I love my neutrals and my whites, but the peach, like, I'm really feeling that. So again, that's definitely what drew me towards this set in the first place. Typically, I don't really go for skirts. I just feel like skirts on me aren't really that flattering. However, this one I did pick up. As I said, it's a set, so I picked these up in a size extra small. I felt like they fit me nicely. However, you guys will notice with the belt, it just doesn't fit my waist that well. I don't know why that is. It's like I need an extra loophole in there, but I can't make a loophole because it's got the little set eyelets of where the holes are meant to be for the belt. So I ended up taking it off anyway and just wearing it as the top and the skirt itself, which is fine. But I feel like this set is definitely something that I typically wouldn't have gone for, but I'm really glad I did, because I really like the fabric and the feel of it and the color of it. As I said, I'm really into this color at the moment, and I definitely feel like the top is definitely something that I could take and and pair with other things like jeans. So that's another thing that I love about sets as well, is that it's easy to take things from them and kind of pull and mix and match them with other items. But yes, for reference, I did pick this one up in a size extra small, and again, I love the quality of it. Like, the quality of this fabric, you guys, it's so nice. It feels very luxurious. Next up, I have a dress to show you guys, and this one is the Hunter maxi dress in nude. First of all, you already know that I love the color. That is, of course, what drew me towards this item in the first place, is the color, but also the style, you guys. I love the back of this dress. I feel like it is so sexy. Like, that's the only way that I can describe it. I mean, it's nothing too crazy, but the way that it crosses over at the top with kind of like a racer back, and then it's got this big gaping hole right here, it just is so, I love that. I love it. So when it comes to the fabric of this dress, it is very, very stretchy, and it feels very heavy as well, which I do like for these kinds of dresses. I feel like the quality of the fabric is really nice because it's got that nice weight to it as well, which I feel like just feels really nice when you're wearing it. And as I said, it is very, very stretchy. My only thing is that I did pick this up once again in a size extra small, and I feel like it fit me really nicely. However, around my waist, it's always my waist, I feel like it could have sit a little bit tighter in that area, but I think that comes down to the fact that it's super stretchy. And as you guys can see in the try on, this is really long, so you could of course like pull it down to make it even longer, or kind of gather it up a little bit to make it a little bit shorter. But I do like this dress a lot, and I feel like it's definitely one of those dresses that would be flattering on a lot of different body types. So next up, I have a jacket to show you guys, and this one is the Anna belted denim jacket in cream. So naturally, you guys already know I love the color. I actually don't have any jackets that are particularly this color, especially when it comes to denim. I don't have any like denim jackets that are this color. But when I was perusing through the Nova Vintage range, I actually saw one of the models wearing this, or maybe it was like a girl who'd done like an IG photo with this. She was wearing this belted up with some cycling shorts, and I thought that was really cute. But as you guys can see from the try on, I just ended up putting it with the dress, and I feel like they go together really nicely because they've got that same neutral color tone palette. But if you guys know me, you know that I do love me a good oversized jacket, whether it be a jacket or hoodie. I do like my outerwear to be somewhat oversized, and I feel like this is the perfect amount of like oversized that I like. I was drawn to this as well because of the fact that it is versatile in the sense that you can belt it up. I don't think I have any denim jackets like this where you belt up, so that was different for me. But you can of course take the belt out of the equation and just wear it as a regular jacket, and I feel like it looks just as good. For reference, I did pick this up in a size extra small, and as you guys can see on me, it is still quite oversized, so I feel like going to your relevant size is totally fine if you want that oversized look. And I definitely feel like it's one of those jackets that you can style in multiple ways and get many different uses out of. The next item that I have to show you guys is possibly my favorite from this entire haul, and it is the Celine blazer dress. As you guys can see, once again, it's in that nice cream shade, which you guys know I'm all about the neutrals, so that is definitely what drew me towards this in the first place. But I also feel like this is very much so my style. I do like things with a collar, and I do like things with sleeves. I just feel like that's very flattering on me, particularly because I have short hair. I feel like I definitely gravitate to things with sleeves and collars. Like, that's my thing. First of all, the quality of this is so great, you guys. It feels really durable, well made. The fabric is really nice. I did go ahead and pick this up in a size extra small, and as you guys can see, it is a little bit tight on me, so I definitely feel like I could have perhaps sized up to a small. But regardless, it did feel really nice and snug on my body, so I wasn't too fazed by it. And I just love everything about this, you guys. If you didn't notice, the shoulders do have like padding in them, so it gives you that really nice structured blazer look. As the name suggests, this is a blazer dress, and I just love like the double-breasted button detailing that goes down the front and the little waist tie. You could of course go without the waist tie, but I feel like the waist tie kind of adds that little extra something to it. And yeah, I really like this dress. I feel like this is totally something that I'd wear out, like if I was to be going to some type of lunch. Like, I feel like it's that like springtime kind of lunch. Even though it's winter here, it's not that cold at the moment, so I just can picture that I'm going to get a lot of use out of this dress, and I really like it. Definitely have to say that this is probably one of my favorites from the haul. Last but not least, you guys, I almost forgot to show you the pair of shoes that I picked up. So these are the She's So Sweet heels, and let me tell you, you guys probably already know that this is a style that's really going around and is popular at the moment. We've got like that velvet type of material, we've got the square toe front, the really minimal strappy detailing, and then the back of the heel is of course like, it's not a thin stiletto type of heel, it's like wide, but it's not chunky wide, if that makes sense. So this is everything that is in at the moment, which is why I picked these up. I was so drawn towards them as well because of the nude shade that they are, even though they kind of do pull a little bit pink, if you guys can tell. To me in person, I feel like they are pulling more towards that pink kind of shade, but even still, I feel like it's definitely a pair of heels that go with a multitude of different outfits, especially if you're going for that nude neutral kind of tone. And I also just want to make a note that these are super comfortable. I like the fact that it's got the wider heel at the back, there's cushioning on the sole as well, and I just love everything about them. I feel like they're very luxe. So yeah, as you guys would have noticed, I did wear these with all of the outfits that I tried today, and I feel like they went with every single outfit. So I feel like these are somewhat of a staple. If you're looking for that style that's really in at the moment, I feel like these definitely emulate that, and I really like them. I also did notice that they did come in black as well. If you're not so much of a nude person, you just like to have black heels, they do come in black as well, but I am glad that I picked up the nude pair. So there we have you guys, that is everything that I picked up for this Fashion Nova vintage haul. I want you to comment down below and let me know which item or outfit you liked the best. And as always, I'm going to leave a full list of every item that I spoke about in this video down in the description box below, as well as a direct link if you guys want to go and check it out for yourselves. You can also find all of my social media accounts if you guys want to keep up with me on any of those. That'll be in the description box too. And as always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like it before you leave it, and if you're still here at the end watching and you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing by hitting the little red button down below before you go so you don't miss any more videos that I post. I hope you guys are having an awesome day or night wherever you are in the world. I hope you're staying safe, looking after yourselves, and looking out for each other. I will talk to you in the comments, and I will see you all in my next video.